Google CEO is there. Who is the Google CEO?
Sundar Pichai.
Sundar Pichai. Can you please imagine? Each and every mail is coming to Google. Either Sundar Pichai is going to read that mail?
No, his
No
assistants.
way. No way. Okay. Suppose you elected as MLA. Assume that. You elected as an MLA. Immediately, government is going to allocate one PA for you, personal assistant. Have you remembered, right?
Yes, sir.
Well-educated officer is going to be allocated as assistant to you. What the reason is, you can't do all activities. Delegate your activities, organize your activities by this assistant. Must be required. Must be required. Okay, like why they are providing assistance is, yes, that's the reason. Because you are more responsible. You require to concentrate on higher level activities. The rest of the things, can you please delegate to your assistant? You know, if you are going to approach MLA, then MLA is going to tell, okay, you wrote a letter, right? Can you please hand over this letter to my PA? To my PA, can you please hand over? Okay, to my PA. So meet my PA after 2 days or 3 days. He never going to use the word meet me after 2 days or 3 days. Be in touch with my PA. Have you ever heard about these type of statements?
Yes, sir. Multiple times.
Yes. What the reason for that? Those PA is going to simplify his life. Those PAs are going to save their time. Those PAs are going to save their energy. That's why highly recommended. We have to hire the people. We require to train the people so that those people will become assistants for us. They are going to save our time. They are going to save our energy. Next, they are going to work like us. So more results by default we are going to get without working more. Those assistants will become your clones.